Hi friends! Today we're going to learn how to draw a backpack, or in Italian, zaino. First, let's draw two arches. This looks like a rainbow. And now we're going to draw the main section of the backpack. So let's draw two curved lines going down the side, like this, okay? And now connect the two lines together. Great. Now we're going to do the two side pockets. So straight line and then a curve down. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Now let's do the line going down and curve in. And the same here too. Great! Now we're going to do the shoulder straps. Now if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video and look at how to do it, okay? Great! Then we're going to draw the pocket in the front. So we'll cross and down, and then we're going to do a bigger section on the bottom and connect the two lines. In the middle, we're just going to draw a rectangle, like so. Now, let's outline our drawing with a thick black marker. Oh wait, I forgot the zip. There we go.
Let's color.
Let's give our school backpack some color. The first color I'm using is green, or in Italian we say verde. Let's color in together the shoulder straps of our backpack.
Jump, jump, jump like a bouncy ball. Higher and higher, have a ball.
Hi friends! Stick around after we color our school backpack to learn today's colors together with me, Bo Bunny.
Can you stomp like an elephant? Stomp, stomp.
Great! The next color we're using is yellow, or in Italian we say giallo. It's a nice bright color. I like to use yellow. You can use any colors you like, of course. So I'm also going to do the top pocket of the backpack in yellow also, and the zip. There we go. Now, the next color, oh yes, let's use red. Or in Italian we say rosso. And maybe you remember that red is my favorite color. What's your favorite color?
And get ready for the big surprise.
As always, I like to draw the outline of the border first. It's easier to not go outside the lines that way. And also go around the pockets, like so. Great! And now we can start to color the main section of the school backpack, dello zaino. Keep coloring. You're doing a great job. We can put school supplies in our backpack, like books and pencil case. We can also bring our lunchbox in our backpack. Let's see. He's got a yummy banana and sandwich. We've nearly finished the main part of the backpack. Great. Now our last color is going to be blue. In Italian we say blue, but you spell it without the E.
Wow, that's cool!
Let's do the bottom part. And we're nearly finished. Great!
Let's learn! This color is green. Can you say green? Great! Let's say it again. Green. Green in Italian is verde. Let's say it again. Verde. Perfetto! This is a green tree. Questo è un albero verde. Let's see what the next color is. This color is yellow. Can you say yellow? Great! Let's say it again. Yellow. Yellow in Italian is giallo. Let's say it again. Giallo. Perfetto! This is a yellow sun. Questo è un sole giallo. This color is red. Can you say red? Great! Let's say it again. Red. Red in Italian is rosso. Let's say it again. Rosso. Ottimo! This is a red strawberry. Questa è una fragola rossa. This color is blue. Can you say blue? Great! Let's say it again. Blue. Blue in Italian is blue. Let's say it again. Blue. Ottimo! This is a blue car. Questa è una macchina blu. Well, friends, if you enjoyed watching this video, take a look at our How to Draw Easy crayons. And please ask a grown-up to subscribe for more fun bilingual drawing videos for kids. We'll be back with a brand new video next week. See you then. Bye!